Miario ya munini wa President William Ruto yate kuri na mubango wa guthoga githurano kinene niyo icungiriirie Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr Fred Matiangi kuheana murugamo wa thirikari wigie ndeto ino, na Matiangi augite ati miario ino ndiri na muthingi o wothe.
Some of those individuals who are saying that the police are after them or they are threatening them, in the threat profile between number 1 and 500, they are not there. Which means there are people, even a cockroach cannot spend time thinking about, because you see, they are of no threat to anybody. They are doing their job as politicians. They are talking, even what wanaongea. And talking is not a threat, because you see, that is what they are paid to do.
Hamwe na uguo Matiangi augite ati gutire na mubango wothe wa guthoga mitambo ya ukinyaniria, akiuga ati Kenya nitikite thiini wa thi hari uhuthiri wa mitambo na uguo ikinya ta riu ritingitacukio.
I am not aware of any scheme or any effort to influence the Communications Authority of Kenya, or any effort to influence the Kenya Power and Lighting to switch off power. Sometimes in a civilized world, some of these claims, I find them too cheap and too ridiculous to even think about. And when they come from the mouths of senior leaders, you sometimes don't know whether to laugh or cry. It's so petty.
Ndumiriri-ini yake Ruto ni araugire ati thirikari ni irahuthira mabitha thirikari ta macibu na county commissioner hari kugeria kuiya githurano kinene undu uria Matiangi ateaniirie.
I'm not aware, and actually I can speak authoritatively that my peers and I have not engaged in these kinds of things. Every time we have had meetings, we sit down with these wonderful people to review security deployment, to do, planning for the country, to ensure that, our people are being sorted out and are being managed well across the country.
Undu ungi uria Ruto arorota thirikari ni kunyagio kwa maratathi matura-ini matiganite ma kaunti ya Uasin Gishu, maratathi maria maraguoyohia memba ruriri runa mbere ya githurano. Na Matiangi augite ati thirikari ni irathuthuria ndeto iyo na ati andu anana ni makinyirio igoti-ini, na uguo akaregana na ati ni thirikari irabanga uria maratathi macio makunyagio.
Matter of the rivulets, some investigations are going on. We've already taken some people to court, and we are continuing to look for more information so that we get to the very bottom of the matter. But the process of punishment has begun. We will present the information we have, and our officers will present the information they have, and then the courts will decide who is right and who is wrong.
Gukiri uguo Matiangi augite mibango yothe ya gutigirira ugitiri ni mugacirithie ni gathikitwo, na gutire na gitumi kia mukenya wothe kugia na hahuya ya kuhamurithio kuma kuri ari.
You should just ignore those things, treat them with the extreme contempt they deserve, and focus on the election day. Let us go like law-abiding citizens, queue, vote, elect our leaders, and wait for what the IBC will tell us.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wagujiri.